important thing to understand is that when you implement Salesforce CPQ, it sits sort of beside your opportunity. And people talk about integration. It's not integration, it's native to Salesforce, but it sort of sits next to your opportunity, and it's creating your transactions, and it's giving you all the structure you need to create your transactions and get them accurate, get accurate pricing. And then it uses that to pass the information over to the opportunity products and the opportunity. And so then when you talk about a NetSuite implementation or NetSuite integration, you're really connecting NetSuite not to CPQ, you're connecting it to opportunities and opportunity products, or to orders and order products if you've implemented orders, right? So those are the objects that pretty much any NetSuite implementation, when you're connecting it to Salesforce, are going to connect to, whether you have CPQ or not. So it doesn't change anything. It's just you now have an engine to help you enforce the rules you want to enforce, to pick the right products, to price them correctly, to help manage your amendments and your renewals. But ultimately, it feeds back to those standard objects. And so that whether you have an existing integration with NetSuite to Salesforce, or you're thinking about integrating it, it's to those standard objects and not CPQ. And then ultimately, passing it down to some of the custom objects, part of the package for contract subscriptions and assets, and then obviously the whole flow back to an amendment op, which updates your renewal, and then a renewal opportunity and quote. So it's a big cycle. And if we were to do a demo, I can show you that whole thing in about 35 minutes to show you the whole flow. Maybe in a future session we'll just do a demo, but I'd be happy to do that